Hi everyone, I'm Anggun from the Asian Young Pharmacists Group or AYPG. In honor of World Pharmacist Day, our volunteers from across the Asia Pacific region are hitting the street to ask one simple question. Do you know about pharmacies and what they do? In many parts of Asia, pharmacists play an essential role, but their contribution is sometimes less visible compared to the medical doctors or nurses. Through this project, we want to hear real, unfiltered opinions from the public about how they see pharmacists. Let's find out!
When you hear the word pharmacist, what comes to mind first?
It's healthcare professional who specialize in medicine. If you ask questions, they can give you reliable answers.
I think the first thing that comes to my mind is medications.
Reseta and medicines.
Kalau menurut saya sih, apoteker itu jualan obat ya Kak.
Oh, berarti yang penjual obat berarti Kak ya?
Iya.
Apoteker itu.
Like I said, it deals with medicine, drugs. Yeah.
What pharmacist? What comes to my mind is healthcare, because I put it as a pharmacist with all of the healthcare jobs together. Yeah. Okay. And maybe also about the medicines. Yeah.
ต้องการยา
ก็เป็นคนที่ดูแลผู้ป่วยในการใช้ยาค่ะก็นอกจากนี้ก็ยัง work in pharmaceutical field ต่างๆไม่ว่าจะเป็นการผลิตยาหรือว่าการ distribute ยาต่างๆค่ะ
ก็นึกถึงร้านยาครับเพราะว่าเภสัชกรเป็นคนแรกที่เราเจอตอนที่เราไปร้านยาอะไรอย่างเงี้ยครับ
The word comes in my mind is about medicine, of course.
When was the last time you have ever visited a pharmacy and what did you buy there?
I visited just yesterday and I bought vitamins.
Butika, well, we buy medicines, but pharmacists, I don't know. Do the pharmacists make medicine?
Some pharmacists do.
Okay.
จะเป็นช่วงเดือนที่แล้วครับเจ็บคอแล้วก็มีอาการแบบจะเป็นไข้ก็เลยไปหาเภสัช
ไปมาประมาณ2 สัปดาห์ที่แล้วค่ะมีอาการเจ็บคอก็เลยกินทานพวกยาแอนติไบโอติกแล้วก็เลยพยายามไปหาตัวที่ช่วยให้เราเนี่ยเหมือนหายเจ็บคอเพิ่มขึ้นคือพวกสเปรย์ฉีดคอพวกพลิสผู้ชื่อกัน
มาประมาณสัก2 สัปดาห์ที่แล้วครับไปซื้อน้ำเกลือครับมาล้างจมูกครับด้วยสภาวะฝุ่น PM 2.5 แล้วก็มลภาวะในประเทศไทยอะไรเงี้ยครับก็เลยทำให้น้ำเกลือเป็นสิ่งจำเป็นที่จะต้องใช้อยู่เกือบทุกวันอะไรเงี้ยครับ
Last month, I got antibiotics in community pharmacy because of streptococcal infections.
I visited pharmacy last week. I bought medicine to lower the high blood pressure.
그냥 살짝 아프고 경증일 때는 그냥 이제 약사 선생님 먼저 보고 그냥 간단한 일반 감기약 사서 먹고요. 그다음에 조금 감기가 오래 간다든지 아니면 좀 독하다 생각이 들면 그때는 병원 가서 의사 선생님 그 진료를 받는 것 같습니다.
Do you think pharmacists are just people who sell medicine or do they do more than that?
I used to think pharmacists are only selling medicines, and I know some people still do. But recently, after my internship in community pharmacy, I changed my opinion. They have a good relationship with patients, and even small talk can lead to meaningful advice to patients.
약을 판다고 비춰질지는 모르겠는데요. 사실 현장에서 제가 일을 하면서 느끼는 감정은 약을 판다라기보다 그분이 또 아프신 분, 또 환자라고 할 수 있는 분께서 약을 선택함에 있어서 올바르게 선택할 수 있고 최소한의 부작용으로 또 최대한의 효과를 낼 수 있도록 도와주는 사람이 아닐까 생각을 합니다.
I think they do more than that because aside from selling us medicine, they also do counseling, especially if we have prescription from our doctors.
Yeah, they sell and they make medicine. That's what I understand about pharmacists.
For me, if you ask me back when I was younger, I might say that yes, I thought that it was a lot about into selling medicine. But for me, right now, in the position of pharmacist student, I would say no, because it's made me realize that pharmacists have responsibilities and responsible in all of the jobs that related to anything we can do with the patients.
ถ้าส่วนตัวคิดว่าหลักๆคือจ่ายยา
เลยค่ะเภสัชกรนะคะแบ่งออกเป็นหลายฟิลมากๆจริงๆในภาพจำเนี่ยเราอาจจะเห็นเภสัชกรเนี่ยทำงานอยู่ในภาพจำก็อาจจะเห็นทำงานอยู่ที่ร้านยาหรือโรงพยาบาลแต่จริงๆเนี่ยเภสัชเขาอยู่ในฟิลต่างๆที่มากกว่านั้นไม่ว่าจะเป็นการดูแลระบบสุขภาพอย่างในโรงพยาบาลเองก็แบ่งออกเป็นหลายฟิลเช่นเภสัชกรที่เขาอยู่ในฝั่ง OPD IPD ให้คำปรึกษายากับคนป่วยใช่ไหมคะยังมีฝั่งปฐมภูมิที่เข้าไปดูแลผู้ป่วยค่ะตามชุมชนต่างๆหรือแม้กระทั่งในฟิลของบริษัทยาเองก็ตามเนี่ยก็มีบทบาทในการนำยาเข้าสู่ประเทศไทยแล้วก็ให้ข้อมูลยากับแพทย์และก็การใช้ยาด้วยค่ะ
ถ้าในความรู้สึกก็ขายยาครับรู้สึกว่าหน้าที่ของเภสัชกรคือขายยาอย่างเดียวเลยส่วนในภาคอื่นก็ไม่ทราบว่าเขามีบทบาทอื่นๆอีกไหมอะไรเงี้ยครับ
I don't think that it is only related to selling, but it is more than that. Maybe we can consult with them about the dosage of the medicine, or consult with them about how to take the medicine. So I think it's more than just selling.
And between doctors, nurses, and pharmacists, who do you think people talk to most often and why?
Doctors. Naturally, if you are sick, the first thing to come in mind is to go to a doctor.
약국은 1층에 있는 경우가 많아서 그냥 문만 열면 들어가서 바로 접할 수 있는 상대가 약사라고 생각해요.
จริงแล้วเนี่ยเภสัชกรน่าจะเป็นกลุ่มคนที่ประชาชนเนี่ยเข้าถึงได้ง่ายกว่าในภาพในความคิดเห็นนะคะเพราะว่าอย่างน้อยการที่เรามีร้านยาเนี่ยก็ทำให้เหมือนคนไข้เนี่ยเขาเหมือนไม่ได้เสียเวลาในการที่จะเข้าไปในโรงพยาบาลหรือว่าอาจจะทำให้คนไข้ค่ะเข้าถึงได้มากกว่ากับการที่ไปโรงพยาบาล
저는 약사라고 생각합니다. 왜냐하면 환자들이 약을 복용할 때 생기는 부작용이나 복용 방법이나 다른 약과의 상호작용과 같은 그런 실질적 문제는 약사랑 거의 상담을 많이 하기 때문에 약사라고 생각합니다.
I think people most often talk to pharmacists since they are the ones that I think is most available, since not all of the people, especially here in our community, go to the hospital first if they have illnesses.
ทำไมล่ะครับเพราะว่าการเข้าถึงเภสัชมันง่ายกว่าการเข้าหาหรือว่าอะไรอย่างเงี้ยคือเราสามารถเจอเขาข้างนอกหรือว่าเข้าไปที่ร้านยาทั่วไปเราเจอเขาได้เลยมันเจอง่ายกว่า
저는 아플 때 보통 약사 선생님을 먼저 찾아뵙는 것 같아요.
아, 약사 선생님이요?
네.
혹시 이유가 있을까요?
저는 큰 병보다는 가벼운 증상으로 병원이나 약국을 찾아야 되는 경우가 많은데 그럴 때 보통 약국에 먼저 가서 상담 받으면 꼭 필요한 의약품 추천해 주시기도 하시고 만약에 증상이 심하다 하시면 병원 가보라고 알려주시니까 약국을 먼저 가는 경향이 있습니다.
Have you ever been saved from a mistake or wrong medication by a pharmacist?
No, I haven't, but I heard something from pharmacists. They did prescription questions to doctors. Doctors are also human, so they do mistake. So patients are protected by multiple checks.
많습니다. 운동하고 나서 뭐 근육통이라든지 아니면 너무 과하게 했을 때 뭐 열이 난다든지 그럴 때 뭐 진통제라든지 도핑이라든지 이런 거에 걸릴 수 있는 것들을 피해 주셔서 잘 그 약사님들이 설명해 주시는 것 같습니다.
네, 제가 먹는 음식이랑 상호작용 같은 게 궁금할 때도 있고 교과서에서 제가 배우는 거랑 실제 또 쓰이는 거 다르니까 그런 경우에는 많이 질문을 드리고 답변을 얻어서 잘 복용했던 것 같아요.
네, 의사만큼이나 약사도 신뢰를 해야 한다고 생각합니다. 왜냐하면 이제 의사분들이 뭐 진단이나 처방 같은 걸 내리시면 이제 약사는 실제로 그 치료가 안전하게 이어지는지 그런 걸 돕는 역할을 하기 때문에 신뢰해야 한다고 생각합니다.
Do you know where pharmacists can work other than the pharmacy or the hospital?
There's this one TikTok that I saw. It's about pharmacists working in manufacturing, especially in cosmetics, because I'm kind of a cosmetics fan.
It can be in a beauty clinic or in industry.
제약회사 같은 경우도 있을 거고 신병원, 보건소 이런 데도 다양하게 일하고 있는 걸로 알고 있습니다.
If there were no pharmacists, how do you think that would affect everyday life?
Well, much would affect very much because where will we get our medicine if there's no pharmacist?
ตรงนี้ไม่มีเภสัชก็คงเวลาไม่สบายก็คงจะ ต้องไปโรงพยาบาลแต่มันก็จะมีความล่าช้าอาจจะไม่รวดเร็วเท่ากับเราไปหาเภสัชก่อน
อุ้ยก็ลำบากนะงั้นเพราะว่ากลายเป็นว่าเหมือนเราเข้าไปรักษาแต่ว่าเราไม่ได้เหมือนมีคนมาช่วยบอกเรื่องยาหรือว่าอธิบายความสำคัญต่างๆในการใช้ยาอย่างเงี้ยค่ะก็คิดว่าอาจจะเป็นโรคที่ค่อนข้างปั่นป่วนนิดนึงค่ะ
현재도 온라인 등이나 뭐 다양하게 영양제나 건강기능식품을 선택함에 있어서 무분별한 정보가 있는 상황에서 필터링이 없는 사회가 되지 않을까. 최소한 약국과 약사라는 사람, 약국이라는 공간, 또 약사라는 사람이 있어서 최소한의 어떤 필터링이 지금 이 사회에 존재하고 있는가 생각을 합니다. 그래서 저는 약사의 존재가 필요하지 않나 생각을 합니다.
September 25th is World Pharmacist Day. If you could send one message to pharmacists, what would it be?
Always work with your heart.
Good job, keep up, mga ganun. Tapos, like, be always, coachable sa mga, patients, or sa mga taong bumibili ng gamot. Smile ka.
Pesannya apa ya? Mungkin mau bilang terima kasih aja sudah membantu kami masyarakat untuk memilih obat jika kami sakit. Itu aja sih.
I would say, go on, keep on. We need you.
First of all, as a pharmacy student, I would like to say to all the pharmacists that we look up to you. I mean, as a pharmacy student, I got inspired by a lot of pharmacists that already graduated or they are working on their own job and responsibility to the patients, as well as my professor as well. So I would like to say that thank you so much for inspiration and creating that path for us as a pharmacy student, and for me to other pharmacy students around the world who will be pharmacists in the future. So I would like to say that let's try our best to be the next generation of the pharmacists, and hope that we can develop and better this world with the medicine together.
ก็อยากจะเป็นกำลังใจให้เภสัชทุกท่านนะครับว่าคืองานอาจจะเหนื่อยหน่อยแต่ว่าก็ต้องขอบคุณเภสัชทุกคนที่คอยจ่ายยาช่วยรักษาคนเป็นอีกหนึ่งแรงและการที่ว่าช่วยให้คนสุขภาพแข็งแรงขึ้น
ก็ขอบคุณก่อนนะคะขอบคุณเภสัชกรทั่วโลกที่ร่วมแรงร่วมใจกันดูแลคนป่วยในโลกนี้ของเรานะคะแล้วก็อยากเป็นกำลังใจให้เภสัชกรทุกคนในการทำหน้าที่ของตัวเองนะคะว่า you did it great แล้วก็เป็นกำลังใจให้ทำหน้าที่ต่อไปในทุกๆวันในการที่จะดูแลผู้ป่วยไปด้วยกันค่ะ
ก็อยากจะส่งเมสเซจไปว่าขอบคุณครับที่ทำให้ประชาชนสามารถเข้าถึงยาเข้าถึงการรักษาได้เบื้องต้นได้ดีกว่าการไปโรงพยาบาลอะไรอย่างเงี้ยครับก็อย่างที่บอกไปเพราะว่าเภสัชกรเป็นบุคลากรทางการแพทย์ที่รู้สึกว่าใกล้ชิดประชาชนมากที่สุดครับ
As a pharmacy student, I'm inspired by passionate pharmacists who dedicate themselves to patient care. So I cannot wait to join you in the future.
우선 항상 저희 가까이에서 국민 건강 위해서 힘써주시는 약사 선생님들한테 정말 감사하다는 말씀 전해드리고 싶고 앞으로 저도 약대생으로서 그 전문성을 이어받아서 훌륭한 약사가 될 수 있도록 노력하겠습니다.
아무래도 저도 이제 한국에서 약사로 활동을 하다 보니 세계 약사분들과 교류를 많이 해본 적은 없는데요. 그래도 같은 직업이라는 것을 통해서 공감하는 어떤 사명과 미션이 있을 거란 생각을 합니다. 그 과정에서 서로 같이 연대하고 또 같이 활동하고 행동하면서 우리 약사라는 직업이 많은 사람들에게 좋은 직업으로 인식되고 또 우리가 하는 일이 또 많은 사람들에게 도움이 되었으면 좋겠습니다. 약사님 모두 고생 많으십니다. 감사합니다.
세계에 계신 약사님들 모두 화이팅입니다.
세계 약사의 날을 맞아 환자의 건강을 위해 보이지 않는 곳에서도 노력을 하는 많은 약사님들께 감사의 마음을 전하고 싶고 저도 약대생으로서 지금 약사님들이 가는 길을 더 열심히 갈 수 있도록 노력하겠습니다.
I think I first would like to say thank you for two pharmacists because they give a lot of efforts towards their job. They meet a lot of people every day, and I think they're one of the most essential part of our healthcare since they are the most accessible here in our community. So thank you so much, pharmacists, and happy World Pharmacist Day.
Thanks, and please repeat after me as your support for World Pharmacist Day. Think health, think pharmacist.
Think health, think pharmacists.
Think health, think pharmacist.
Think health, think pharmacist.
Think health, think pharmacist.
Think health, think pharmacist.
Think health, think pharmacist. Think health, think pharmacist ครับ
Think health, think pharmacist.
Think health, think pharmacist.
Today we've heard various perspectives on who pharmacists are, what they do, and the impacts that they bring to their communities. While it is true that the pharmacist remains to be one of the most accessible healthcare practitioners in their communities, the need to further strengthen their roles and responsibilities, address persistent health gaps, and actively respond to the ever-evolving demands of the healthcare system calls for pharmacists, like you, to ensure safe, effective, and responsible use of medications not only at an individual level, but also at a population level. How about you? What does it mean to be a pharmacist of today? Share with us your thoughts by giving us a comment down below, and we can't wait to read through your responses. Once again, this has been Dominic Moreno from the Asian Young Pharmacists Group, or AYPG, reminding you that when you think health, think pharmacist. Thank you so much, and happy World Pharmacist Day.